Recording. So the volume of a sphere that has a radius of 16 meters. So the radius, wrong marker. The radius is 16 meters. So the formula for the volume of the sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. We said that the radius is equal to 16 meters. So you've got 4, and I'm gonna take this and toss it in front of pi. So I'm gonna say 4 times 16 cubed all over 3, and then leave the pi out here. And we'll put the meters in too. See the meters? Yeah, it's a little sloppy. Let me clean this up a little bit. So it ends up becoming 4 times 16 meters cubed all over 3. So then you've got to follow order of operations. So you have to do this 16 cubed. And remember, you're going to multiply that. It's like this. It's like 16 meters times 16 meters times 16 meters. So what's a meter times a meter times a meter times a meter? Well, it's meters cubed. And then 16 times itself 3 times is a really big number. So let me pull up my handy dandy calculator. So 16 times 16 times 16 is this really big number, right? But then I also have to multiply it by 4, so I'm going to multiply that by 4. Now it's a really, really, really big number, but then I got to divide it by 3. So when I divide that by 3, screwed up already. Or you could do it, what was it? It was 16 cubed times 4, and then we're going to divide by 3. So you get like 5,461. I think there was some rounding because, they did significant digits. So the actual answer from the textbook is 5,460, and that's just because they use significant digits. Or maybe, I don't know. I don't understand how they. Yeah, it is 61 if you do the math, but for some reason this is the solution the textbook used because they rounded. Well, what they did was they rounded before they were supposed to. So what they did is they probably rounded. Let me show you what they did. They probably rounded the 4 divided by 3. So if you take 4 and divide that by 3, you get 1.3 repeating. Yes. Yeah.